Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to rename sheets in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is have multiple sheets or even just one sheet within our Excel spreadsheet. Next, since we made an example previously about the drop-down list and how we made a separate sheet for the responses on our birth month, here's the actual sheet when opened. As you can see, it's a totally different sheet from the first one. Now, if ever we want to rename our sheets, it's quite simple actually. First, go ahead and double-click on the sheet itself. It should highlight the name that is currently implemented once you double-click it. Next, all you have to do is press anything within your keyboard. Let's say we want to rename this to questionnaire. Just type in questionnaire. Once we're done, just click on anywhere within our sheet. And there we go. If ever we want to edit the other one and just call it months, all we have to do is highlight the selected set of words that we want to delete, press delete on your keyboard, and press anywhere within the spreadsheet, and it should change right away. There we go. Even if we change the title of our spreadsheet, the previously implemented data would not change. And there we have it. This is how we rename sheets in Microsoft Excel.